Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic source of microorganisms in soil which cause food contamination. So in this video we are going to learn about the microorganisms which are present in the soil and the soil microbes cause food spoilage. And we know that the soil is the most important and the biggest source of microorganisms because soil have different kinds of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and soil have lots of nutrients which are present because not only the soil do not have not only the soil but also they have some undesired waste materials on which the microbes can grow very well. And the soil is a rich place of microbes that provide all the nutrients which are present in the soil. And many of the strains used for the industrial production of antibiotics, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and other products used in both pharmaceutical and medicines are isolated from the soil. Suppose that there is soil material and soil is dispersed and there is no growth of microorganism, but we observe the growth of microorganism in the soil when some waste material or dead material, when some undesired materials are present in the soil, and these materials become a substrate for the growth of microorganisms. And from these sources, the soil get contaminated by the microbes. And from this contamination, these microbes come in contact with the food material and can get contaminated and can spoil the food. So this is the mode transmission of the microorganism by a dead material from soil and from soil to food material, and from the food material it is transmitted to the humans. And soil microorganisms participate in the recycling of organic and nitrogenous compounds, which is essential of the soil to support the active growth of the plants. But the ability to degrade complex organic materials makes these same microorganisms potent spoilage organisms if they are present on the food. Many soil bacteria and fungi produce resistant structures such as they have endospores of Bacillus, Clostridium, and Chlamydospores. And these structures are not degradable. They cannot be degraded. So these structures are transmitted to food material, and the food get contaminated and can be spoiled. The bacterial endospores are especially resistant to the high temperature, and some of the soil make this a strong source of spoilage and food poisoning, bacilli, and clostridium. Similarly, some fungi are also resistant to the high temperature. If there is a lots of moisture content present in the soil, the growth of microorganisms is also observed in the soil, and this is a very good environment for the growth of microbes, and these are not the beneficial microbes. So like these microbes which are bacteria, fungi, protista, algae, when any food material get contact in these food material, they can be get contaminated. Similarly, if we are using a contaminated soil for the agriculture use, uh, the food can easily get contaminated because if there is a microbes are present and they are spreading their spores to the plants. These plants and the foods, vegetables, if they come in contact with microbes, they get spoiled and not internally, uh, not only the externally, not only the internally, the all the food material get contaminated, and sometimes it do not appears from the outside. Sometimes it is inside. The contamination of microbes is inside the food material such as vegetable, fruits. But when a human or an animal get ingest it and digest it, then these food material can cause disease to the particular human or animal. So these contamination should be escaped. So our lecture is over here. In the next video, we'll discuss another video tutorial. Thank you very much.